Hey, this is Renewy with Richard Earls Construction here in New Orleans, Louisiana. Working on this house here on the 503rd Street down in the Irish Channel in New Orleans. So we've been working on these windows, we're trimming them out, trimming out these doors, installing them, beautiful windows and doors. We're going to be finishing some framing inside, residing the house, and then also renovating the interior. And quite a bit of work we got going on here. So as we progress along, we'll post more on our Facebook and different sites, so you can take a look and see how it goes.
Action.
Hey guys, Renewy here, Richard Earls Construction. We're in the Irish Channel in New Orleans, working on this house on 3rd Street. So one thing we had to do here, we had to actually lift up the ceiling and the roof. We have this, all these joists on the end over here were pretty badly rotten and termite damaged. The roof was leaking in the house, so we had to take it all out, support that, lift it up, and then we've got these new joists that we put in. They're sitting on top of this top plate, sitting on top of that top plate, so that way it's all totally secure and stable, and nothing's leaning, nothing's leaking. So now the house is nice and strong. Follow